Welcome student, good morning all of you. Today we are going to learn or discuss about the next topic that of your unit 2 of spreadsheet, that is creating reference to other sheets. Okay. So, here there are two ways to reference cells in other sheets. First of all, entering the formula by using your keyboard and by using your with the use of mouse. Okay. So, we can create in reference to other sheets. So, both ways we can do it. Let us see one by one. So, first is creating the reference with the mouse. Okay. Creating reference with the mouse. So, within one document we are creating multiple sheets and then we are creating the reference. Okay. So, for this we have taken one example over here. Let us look at practically. So, here I am already created one sheet called named solver sheet, and it is for calculating interest, simple interest. Here I am taking principal, rate of interest, time period, simple interest is calculated here. Okay. Here it is the formula for the simple interest, and here I also add one more sheet, that is sheet 2. It is the sheet 2, and I will reference, I create a reference of solver sheet on this sheet. Okay. I want to create the reference of this in on the sheet 2. Okay. So, I link both the sheet first of all, and what we do is we using mouse for this purpose. Now, we are using mouse for this purpose. So, now the example I have taken here. So, accordingly the steps been given as per the example only. So, let us go to our new sheet. Here it is new sheet, that is sheet 2, and I am giving the heading here as SI, okay, simple interest. I just make it large for, okay, and bold, and I am just giving the heading here is SI. I wanted, and in this column here I want SI of this, SI of the solver sheet. This SI I want to reference on the new sheet, sheet number 2, and it is reflected on the cell this. Okay, or this cell address is B1. I wanted the a simple interest of solver sheet on the B1 cell of sheet 2. Okay. So far what I do is simply I have some options or method. Okay. So, I will go to the solver sheet. Here I have to first click the equal to sign, and then the open bracket, it is called open bracket, and when you are closing the bracket, that is called close bracket. Okay. Then I will go to the solver sheet. Here I go to the solver sheet, and now which cell I want to reference in the B1 cell of sheet 2. Okay. I want to reference the, here look, I want this cell, the result of simple interest I want to reflect on that cell. So, I select this cell, I am just selecting this cell, it is the B7 cell, it is the B7 cell of solver sheet. So, just when you are clicking on this cell, it is reflected here also in the formula bar of it. Okay. So, as soon as I clicking, it is there and then click on So, I will click on the accept, and here I am going to the sheet 2, okay, and here this one is reflected in the formula, that is the linked cell is reflected in the new sheet 2, and here it is, and I just type the close bracket and enter. Okay. So, you look here, the result, the answer of the result of simple interest calculated here in the solver sheet is reflected in the new sheet, that is 200. Okay. So, now suppose if I want to make some changes on the solver sheet, make some changes on the solver sheet here in any field, that is in principal, rate of interest, or time period. Okay. If I change the principal as 1000, it is okay, and so the simple interest is automatically, when I click on the enter button, the simple interest is automatically changed, it is reflected in this sheet also, and also this simple interest result is reflected on the sheet 2 also, that I am going to explain you, that when I am make some changes here and the simple interest is changed here in this sheet, in the solver sheet, but it also reflected in the sheet 2 also. When I am go to the sheet 2 here, I am clicking on the sheet 2, you see that the simple interest is 100. Before that it was 200, but here now when I am make some changes, then the interest is in the 100, okay, in the B1 cell. So, this we are creating or using the mouse, and now what if I want the changes using keyboard, okay, I want the changes using keyboard. So, for this again I am writing SI in another cell here, and I wanted the result, I wanted the simple interest on the calculated in the solver sheet is reflected in the sheet 2 of in the B7 cell of sheet 2, okay, it is the B7 cell, okay. So, what I am doing here is just first of all, by use this is we are using creating by taking or using our keyboard only, not using mouse. So, first of all I am clicking the equal to button, okay, and then bracket, so from which we need to know from which sheet I create the reference, okay. So, that is the solver sheet I am creating here, and I am not going through the mouse. When you are using, you go to, you have to click here and it is automatically reflect in the formula bar, but here you have to type the name of the sheet, you have to type the name of the sheet and make sure that there is no space between the name, okay, the sheet name. So, I am typing SOLVER solver underscore sheet, solver sheet, okay. First we already typed the sheet name, and then what we have to do, be sure that you have typed the name correctly, okay. Then write the cell that is that we are going to reference, okay, from the solver sheet, or that is also B7, that is also B7. Look here, we are using that here it is B7. So I am typed here when I have typed here it is okay dot and B7. Make sure that you know the cell number also of the solver sheet for that we are want to reference. So let us look for the cell address. It is B7. So make sure that you know about the cell address. Okay, next here equal to and sheet underscore solver sheet dot B7 dot B7. Here I am giving the brackets for open and close bracket, and then you enter the your okay. So look, the result of simple interest, that is in your solver sheet 100 is reflected in the sheet number 2 or in the column B7. Okay. So here also we can check that the formula will work properly or not. Okay. So I am going to the solver sheet, and here I am make some changes. I just change the principal as 400,000 and rate of interest as 7. Okay. And now you here look in the solver sheet, the simple interest is automatically changed. Simple interest is calculated and automatically changed, but we wanted this result in the sheet number 2. So just go to your sheet number 2, and here you can see that the value calculated in the simple interest of the solver sheet is reflected on your new sheet, in your new sheet number 2. Okay. So by it is done by using the keyboard. Earlier we had did this by using mouse. So let us, this is working or very correctly. Okay. So you can reference within a workbook. This is one workbook. You can reference from within a workbook or from other workbook also. So in the next video we can discuss about the reference from the outsource or other workbook. Okay, thank you.